What's up guys, this is Youngno. Let's solve this question. Okay, in this question we have to learn about what is rate. Rate is just a ratio between two different quantities measured in two different units. In the first sentence, we have two quantities measured in two different units, and we can figure out the relationship between these two quantities. We have 3 gallon and we have 40 mile. So if you set up a ratio between those two quantities, then you can define a rate between gallon and mile. The question says Kevin's house is m miles apart from his school. So let's say we have a home, we have school, and they are m mile apart. And we're looking for total consumption of gasoline G in gallons needed to make a round trip. Since the distance between home and school is m mile, to make a round trip, he has to drive 2 m miles, right? So put 2 m miles here, and let's put G gallon of gasoline here. So we set another ratio. That ratio is showing the relationship between distance traveled and number of gallon of gasoline that will be needed. So this ratio means to travel 2 m miles, you're gonna need G gallons of gasoline. And that ratio has to be same as the ratio on the left hand side. The expression on the left hand side means to travel 40 miles, you're gonna need 3 gallons of gasoline. Those two ratios have to be the same, right? So once you do the cross multiplication, you get 6m and 40g. Since we're looking for g, you can just divide both sides by 40. Once you divide top and bottom by 2, you get 3m on top and 20 in the bottom. So that is the correct answer. Remember, whenever you have some kind of relationship between two different quantities measured in two different units, it's the rate question. And easiest way to solve these rate question is set up ratios and set them equal. We're done. See you on the next question.